At the register, tell the cashier you'll be using an eWIC card before items are scanned, and be sure to let the cashier know if you have any coupons you'd like to use. Use your eWIC card as your first form of payment. After the cashier scans your items, a message will appear on the card reader writer prompting you to insert your eWIC card and enter your 4-digit PIN. Make sure to insert your card firmly into the card reader writer only when the message appears. Inserting the card too soon can cause errors in the transaction. After entering your PIN, 2 receipts will print. The first receipt will show the food benefits that are available at the time of your transaction. The second receipt will show the food benefits to be removed from your card. Review the receipts to make sure WIC items were correctly removed. If your receipts are correct, press the key that confirms your purchase. If the receipts indicate an item was not removed correctly, press the key that declines your purchase. After the WIC transaction is complete, remove your card when prompted. Removing the card before prompted will cause errors in the transaction. You'll then be asked for your next form of payment to purchase any remaining items.